Hello, in this part of the tutorial, we look at using Microsoft SQL Server as a backend. To be able to do this, one needs to ensure that the TCP/IP connections are enabled and also connections from localhost are enabled. We confirm that our SQL Server is running on port 1433. On the config file for PHP, as we are running from the local host, we also specify the instance name. You have to include all the security parameters for the user. This user should have read and write access to the database. We have opened the Management Studio so that we can see the changes in real time. We created a test database, a users table with the 3 fields we did before. From our Vue project, we perform our CRUD operations to add, update, delete, and read our users. One should appreciate again that the underlying code base for this connect class is the same. When we connected to SQLite, then MySQL we used 99.9% of the source code. So the same methodology is applied here. The only thing changed was the class name to BananoMSSQL. As you have noted, we have just performed the same create, read, update, and delete operations for 3 different databases, all using in almost the same code base. This means one can just be able to port from one DB to another. As the code base is 99.9% the same, we will not re-explain how it works again. Please refer to tutorial 34 for that. We continue performing our database functions and conclude the exercise. Thank you. I almost forgot, we didn't peek at the source code. We created a page with the same structure as the other 2 database functions we did. For the events we want, we just changed the class name to point to our database. Go on, explore the code and enjoy. Don't forget to like the tutorial and subscribe to my channel. Thanks again.